how to connect Epic Games to Steam. So first what you want to do is just open up your browser and go to the Epic Games website. Once you're there, just simply log in first, then go to your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen, then click on account. Wait for it to load, and once you're there, just scroll down to see the apps and accounts section right there. So simply click on it. Once you're here on the apps and accounts panel or page, just simply click on connect right here on this Steam. So go here and click on connect and wait for it to load. And now just simply click on connect account right there. And this will pop up. Now as you can see, you will need to log into Steam first. So just simply log in first. After you've logged in, this will pop up. So just simply click on sign in. Then wait for it to load. And now that will go back to the browser. And as you can see, it says success. Your Steam account is now connected to your Epic Games account. And just click on continue and it will redirect you to the settings page. And now when you go back here, as you can see, my Steam is now linked to my Epic Games account, and that's how you basically connect your Steam to your Epic Games.